Hi guys, Roger at Gateway Cycles back with you. Got a new machine in for you today. Wanted to give you a brief overview of it. It's a 2003 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide. This comes in the anniversary paint scheme of silver and black. Give you a quick walk around here of this machine. She's an oldie but a goodie. Like that tour pack. Looks like we got some true duals on it with Vance and Hines. Give you a close up here of that meaty 88 cubic inch motor here. And let's see how it looks if you're sitting on it here. Give you a good look at that bat wing gauge cluster here. And I'm going to fire this thing off here and let you guys get a good listen to it. Nothing sounds like that. Come on down here to Gateway Cycles here in Mount Sterling and take a look at this thing in person, or you can visit us on the website www.gatewaycycles.com.